Hello, myself Satnam Singh. In this session, we will discuss quantitative analysis by atomic absorption spectrophotometry using calibration chart method. Quantitative analysis in atomic absorption utilizes Beer's law. There are three methods: calibration chart method, standard addition method, and internal standard method. In this session, we will discuss calibration chart method for quantitative analysis. Beer's law is followed. Absorbance is directly proportional to concentration. With an increase in analyte concentration, efficiency of atomization decreases, making the calibration plot of absorbance versus concentration non-linear, particularly at higher concentrations. Calibration of the instrument is usually carried out with a blank and setting the display to 100% transmittance, that is 0% absorbance. A series of standard solution of analyte are prepared, aspirated into the flame, and the absorption determined as a function of concentration. Calibration graph is prepared. Calibration graph is a straight line plot of absorbance versus concentration of the analyte metal. Analysis of test sample is carried out by aspirating the solution into the flame under identical experimental conditions, and absorbance is measured. Concentration of the analyte metal in the test sample is obtained graphically from the calibration chart. Quantitative analysis involves standard solutions, that is, solutions of different known concentrations, blank solution, that is without analyte, and test sample solution, that is unknown sample whose concentration is to be determined. We will see the procedure for making various solutions. Stock solution of known concentration is prepared. Transfer the stock solution, for example 1 ml, 2 ml, 3 ml, 4 ml, 5 ml, to the volumetric flasks. Add solvent up to the mark. Solvent is added up to the mark. These are the standard solutions of different concentrations. One can find normality of each solution. In blank, nothing is added in the volumetric flask and only the solvent is present. VML of the test sample is taken in the volumetric flask, which is labeled as unknown, and volume is made up to the mark with the help of solvent. This is the test sample for analysis. For quantification, we have standard solutions of different concentrations, we have blank, and we have the test sample whose concentration is to be determined. Blank solution is taken here and it is aspirated into flame, followed by aspiration of sample number 1, then blank, number 2, blank, number 3, and so on. That is, blank is read before each sample or standard is fed to the flame. Strip chart recording. This is the absorbance versus time. Initially, absorbance is set to 0 for the blank. Then this is absorbance due to sample number 1, then blank. Absorbance due to sample number 2, then blank. Absorbance due to sample number 3, and so on. Beer's law is followed. Absorbance is plotted versus concentration. This is the absorbance by the unknown sample whose concentration we have to determine. It is extrapolated on the calibration chart. This is how we can find the concentration of unknown sample. Problem: a calibration plot for chromium was prepared from the following data obtained by atomic absorption spectrophotometry. This is the data given. Calculate the concentration of chromium in the test sample with an absorbance 0.42. Solution is, one has to draw the calibration plot of absorbance versus concentration. This is the calibration plot. This is the absorbance of the unknown. This is extrapolated, and in this way one can find out concentration of unknown from the graph. Problem: lead is extracted from a sample of blood and analyzed at 283 nanometer and gave an absorbance of 0.34 in an atomic absorption spectrophotometer. Using the provided data, graph a calibration curve and find the concentration of lead ions in the blood sample. This is the given data for standard lead ions. One has to plot a graph between absorbance and lead ion concentration. This is a calibration plot for lead, and absorbance given is 0.34 for the test sample, and its concentration upon extrapolation comes out to be 0.357 ppm. In this session, we have discussed calibration chart method for quantification of analyte by atomic absorption spectrophotometry. Thanks for watching this video.